Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the ghost leg from any of your CC4 avatar, and for any of the ghost leg that created, it should be able to perform any of the iClone motion files. Then you can animate the ghost leg in any iClone motion files that you want, for example the I motions, the RL motions. And now you can see this is a pair of the ghost leg, and I just simply apply to let it perform the iClone motion file. Just drag and drop. You can see it can perform anything. Alright, it is really cool, especially if you want to do some horror 3D animations, some horror movie, and you can convert any of your CC4 avatar to become just a pair of the ghost leg. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make this, and it is really easy. Alright, now you are in your Character Creator 4. Load your 3D avatar, and the first step, what you need to do is just export as FBX file. So first I'm going to just create a new folder, named as Camilla. So click File, Export FBX, close character. The target to preset, I will just choose Blender. Insert LOD, activate it, merge material, mesh, and make sure merge opacity to diffuse texture. Then click export, click OK. On the desktop, Camilla's folder. The file name, I'm going to name this as Camilla. Click save. Now it is exporting as FBX file. Just wait for a while. Now finally the FBX is already exported. Next, just go to the Blender to import the Camilla. So I'm going to open Blender. Then click the empty area, press A and press delete button to delete everything. Click File, Import FBX from my desktop, Camilla. Now it is importing the FBX file. Then the first step, what you need to do is just make sure you press A and press Ctrl A or transforms. Then turn on the texture, turn on the material texture and have a look. Right. Next, you can just check the material at here. Make sure you correct the material first. The render methods, just change it to deter. Alright. So next, what you need to do is just delete other mesh. We only want the leg. Alright, so click and press delete button to delete it. Delete the rest. Just expand it. We only want the leg. The rest you can just delete it. Right. Wait. Ctrl Z is to undo. Make sure you reserve the shoes. The shoes is important. Right. Then click the body and then go to the edit mode. Then click the empty area. Just press L. Click the select face and press L at here. Press delete to delete all the vertices. And also delete all of these parts. Just select all of this and delete vertices. And now you have the brow. Back to the object mode, delete the eyebrow. Now we only left the body and the shoes. And this is just a leg. And click, change the mode to edit mode, and we have a look. Alright. Then at here, just go to the wireframe. What you need to do is just click -Y to make sure it is selected at here. So you can delete it in this way. Delete vertices. And now it left here. Delete vertices. Wait. Just delete the faces only. Hold the control to select the whole row. Delete faces. Done. So now you only left the leg. Back to the object mode. Just turn it on. And we don't want this hole. It is hollow, so we have to close the surface. Back to the edit mode. And then click. Sorry. Now for this time we select the edge only. Click the edge. Make sure we select the whole. Alright, now you can see this part selected. Just right click, new face from edges. Done. And here this part, click, hold the control. Just make sure you select every edges here. Right click, new face from edges now. Right, then at here we may want to add some blood color. Click, select it, go to the material, just click plus new, choose it as a blood color, then click assign. Done. Next, click this, click assign. Done. Alright, once done this part, you can export as FBX now. So I click File, Export. Back to the object mode, and then you have to make sure it maintains all of the skeletons. Click File, Export, FBX. Then create a new folder on your desktop. Name this as Camilla Leg. Okay, Ghost Leg. Then export it here. Camilla Ghost Leg. Copy. This is to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file. Then the name is Camilla Ghost Leg. Export the FBX. Now it is exporting as FBX file. And done. Next we can back to the CC4, the character creator 4. Just create a fresh new project. Then this ghost leg, just drag and drop to import it. And at here, just import as props first. Now, just have a look. You can see this pair of the leg. Next, what you can do is just click convert to humanoid. Then choose this is the characterization, just to open. The profile, choose the, you have to scroll down until you can see the actor build or actor scan. First I choose actor build and have a test. Untick the T-pose, we only want the bone mapping, click OK. Now it already done the bone mapping, then click active. Then click off. Active. You have to make sure it is active, then click characterization. Now, this pair of the ghost leg already become the avatar. Actually, it have the full skeleton, the full bones, but the body mesh is just left the 2 legs. So now I'm going to test with the animations. I'm going to test in iClone. Click File, Export. Export, send to iClone. Export as iAvatar first. This is the best, but before that you have to save. So this one, Ctrl+Shift+S to save. On the desktop, Camilla Ghost Leg. The project name, I'm going to name this as Camilla Ghost Leg. Click Save. Then click File, Export iAvatar for iClone. On the desktop, Ghost Leg, iAvatar. So now I'm going to test it in iClone. So now the iClone 8 is opening. It's loading. We just wait for a while. We are going to test the Camilla Ghost Leg.iAvatar. Right now, the iClone 8 is already loaded. Then, next, what you need to do is just test the iAvatar, drag and drop into the iClone 8. And now, the first step, just click here and check the motion layer, the edit motion layer, to look at the whole skeleton. Alright, so one more mistake is at here, you have to back to the characterization. Then just drag in the Camilla Ghost Leg, drag and drop into your CC4. Just import as a prop first. Then, next you have to click Convert to Humanoid. This is the characterizations. The first step, you have to make sure it is a T-pose. Just double click here. Just press E to just make sure it is at T-pose. Next, just click Open. The profile, just drag and drop and choose the actor build. Then click OK. Untick the T-pose. Click OK. Once done already, click Active. Then, off the characterization. Done. Right. Once you've already done this step, then you can save the project file. Just click here, click Edit Pose and have a look. You can see this is actually a 3D avatar, but only with the leg and foot mesh. Close this. Save as a project file. Click File, Export. Click Save the project as on the desktop. Camilla Ghost Leg. the project name, Camilla Ghost Lake. Click Save. Then click File, export the iAvatar. Export on desktop, Camilla Ghost Lake. Camilla Ghost Lake.iAvatar, save. And finally, we can test it in iClone. iClone 8. Now the iClone 8 is already loaded. We are going to test the iAvatar. Drag and drop the iAvatar. And we are going to let this Ghost Lake to perform the animations. Click here, select some motions. Choose the motion files from here. And as demo, I'm going to just test with some motions. I right click it just off the animated thumbnail. And I'm going to select from here. Perform. Let's say perform the air dance. Drag and drop. It is going to apply the full motions. You can just play. You can see actually this is the full animations of the air dance. If you want to watch the whole skeletons, you can just click here, click edit motion layer. At this moment, just try to play. You can see actually this is a 3D avatar. You play in this way. But if you render your video, you only can see just a pair of legs. Right, and you can apply any of the iClone motion file, like dance gracefully, play. Alright, that's all. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a pair of Ghost Lake from any of your iClones and any of your character creator for 3D avatar. Just a pair of the Ghost Lake that you can apply any of the 3D animations, the iClone motion files on the Ghost Lake. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you!